Hello, today we will guide you through how to use LuxAlgo Elliott Wave. To get started, open your browser and go to the LuxAlgo website, which is the AI algorithmic trading platform. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the main site and that everything is fully visible on your screen. This helps avoid missing any menu options as you move through the setup. Next, look toward the top right area of the page and click on Library. This section is where LuxAlgo organizes its available tools and indicators, so it's the right place to find Elliott Wave quickly. If your screen looks slightly different, just scan the upper navigation area until you spot the Library option. After opening the library, click into the search field and type Elliott Wave. Be sure to enter the name clearly so the platform can return the most relevant result. Searching directly is usually the fastest way to locate a specific tool, especially if the library contains a large number of indicators or resources. Once the search results appear, look for Elliott Wave in the list. Take a second to confirm that you found the correct result before moving on. This is useful because some platforms may show similar names, related indicators, or supporting tools alongside the main result. When you've found Elliott Wave, click on it to open its page. This page usually gives you access to the tool itself and may also provide a little more detail about what it does. Opening the correct item ensures you're moving into the right workflow before adding anything to your chart. From there, click on Get Access. This step is important because it enables access to the Elliott Wave tool within the LuxAlgo platform. Depending on your account status or permissions, the platform may take a moment to process the request, so just wait briefly if needed. Finally, click on Use on Chart. This sends the Elliott Wave tool directly to your chart so you can begin working with it in a live charting environment. Once it loads, you should be able to view the indicator on your chart and start exploring how it fits into your analysis. As a quick tip, if anything doesn't appear right away, refresh the page or give the platform a moment to load. Small delays can happen, especially when moving between the library and the chart. That's it. You've now gone through the full process of finding LuxAlgo Elliott Wave, getting access to it, and applying it to your chart.